ya pai mutu tisa de watermelon womo adwamu mienu pepepe no boso menso de atoso dadu enenum enene ya pai mu anesa ensampansa ntwofo anya adaje atasema samufo nso watena ho na waso ho de aka no edi ani nyina ahwe eno sa na ye ka che se ye hye wiase nyina apa ne so se YouTuber SOMPA FM live ena fe Facebook no so no SOMPA Accra 106.5 live ebasa wabaso bi woni ye nyina na ebom ne ye de kase na nante afa SOMPA FM 106.5 live na chi no FM stations na ye SOMPA de ni nyina afa 93.1 na ya santemamu ehwe adabraka edidem sa na oduru atoye ne na afa nso a 101.1 SOMPA takwa obapa na ya ka akire wone dom no wo mo etoto a nso ayemu de no a na wo mo didi wo mo djuma ena afa 101.3 takura de wono nso age na wo de amade hia wo mo ho wo mo wo bunu nyina no na henkro no yesunwane alaji be kwa na aburo sanum eno na afidie no se ka mu na ade ko anampo ofon so na ade to 98.9 a wo de afafam ho aye timu no watwa santon ho na eda so da ho wo betwa nkwasimfum na wo koka kwa hafo ni nyina eda 98.9 ho edi dempa kwa akiri bono afam no no afa doma FM 100.7 wafa bi de ama adehia wo mo doma henkro ena bono na po FM no SOMPA nkransa 90.7 papa to so mo ena wa hene champion brother Philip mo so age wa henkro ho 106.1 sa frequency kro na oba mfimfini mantam a ye fra na kingdom mankesim ne wo wabie biem abefo ntentamfidie no so no aburochire nyina wono mo hweyem bi ofakwakudo nyina mo wono mo hwe ne sa ene wo ma wo France nyina ya damfo pa radio decoder no so ba FM stations no na busuan ye wo ho na wie ya ye be no diapers a yammo winti empemfa ho perfect baby diapers eno na aboya bomberete na fe endpoint homeopathy clinic ye de bi nsen na mawo awie de abete afiri mu no ebi ne se
Oro Dennis Miracles aboaje adiatu dwa se yokofo chi a wono kire no no ama ne ho ye den ya ene wabane de mu odin so
wo ensam foforo mu no wo sansam na mu no empanifo abo amane wo mrahye bedwam adom kuma no atutu sranka atoli general wo mepie mu ofie ho no wo mekire nsemu na hia ti a wase wonom invite no Alexander kwame na afanyamaken orenya fa hye nsemu afa
ene wasahin afanya kuro ya sanka bi se iyokofo tumi cheche no ombe chiachi miracle aboaje a ngukwa nketenkete na no yerere kopoku se ebinu masase ewe no wo munwuram na wo monche safo no
Ghana nam senior wo South Africa mine mu bo man yesa anton kwapem July bosome no ne dato so aduonunum na de hye bi a ewo South Africa mine mu no yakwakofa wonu nyina ade afiri ho
Adechia one mutu kwan efa Accra International Airport ewiem hyen gina bia ho no womani agio ensem bi apie firi mu ba
Environmental Protection Agency agba amane se uye wura na oto na profun jaja na basa wo mate wo mo task force agum wo mo ba
na we nyamso mpafiri ho ahonedie anatoso aka ho bia ma MC a wonu wo hafa no north koponi mu ade afutu amane manfo se ye ne ehuni o na no beboaye
NDC amanyokuo no wo mo adwumadie ba kwa wo mo bo ho da Europa 24 hour economy no empanifo kire mu se sika wo mo di hye mu no yehu adwumadie nso a yehu onenya fokodwo mpɔnkonoma ene ka sei
na sonomba ne bi kasa se jamaa se wo mo yi pani mo ofiri sirementi findo ene ye kandifo pe na wo mo ne ma nyina ahwiagu Europe afokosi anya no kore
amane boyo yensa ka tro se fri nyame ya domo a wochina ede kro no fango bo esan so bi pejabio
Sakneka University Senior Administrators Association of Ghana to sakefo na eba manie wo mo sei entasikoko ho ye bi obi anum ye jati fufu mpanimfo ahra wo mbeti atwea
abusua ye be wi akwa amanone se America fo aja to mo se abutre ka wo mo nsa aka no wo ho na nkomo epiepie firi akiri no ye de ba e wo kasie mo eno ena ewie brei triple man eja pia pam dada mene
akosua ejewa kodie boatin ena
ABENA bedu ADEPA KOFIE
afei yanje brana sam no wankasa ya na ne yechire emfama mo Oro Dennis Miracles Abuaje Eyeboafo Sonko de ma NPP amanyoko no Frank Atuni Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Baumia na wapanyi pa Ghana fo bakara na nsentamu na yoko mpanyi foko fa no a na womobo amane yesa sika twetwedie 55 million Ghana cedis bi wono a woma mane ne nkwanta na esu se wapanyi pa ni hobo mu a ehu hia se nhwemu mapa ane nchehwemu etumi koso na eno waka ho bi ama afi ya wono mama ne be no enne da due ye wapanyi pa defri ne kata so apan wo tworo krata se wo baba da sansa de NPP amanyoko na chitafo bi no mo aye na wo mode amano no ne kwasam no se wo hunu bi da na ne saso nso so no wo hunu se bi asie e wo mangane mu ne nyina no ye se wo de aseda piesie de ma wo mo papa se wo ko embre mu odin se ye NPP amanyoko no wana ne won mo ti kwan fa ma no ne mom won mo gina na chiachi gina pa ebo aboso ta na chihwa se yokofo wo betumi agye ne mu na fe won na busua asanso obetena se anom kwa piapia na ade ba ko hunu ye se ebra won mo kire no no wo kan wasanso aka ne biem se enya de ya yokofo sa sika 55 million Ghana cedis ya ye kan wasami wo mo bisa na ho asam kora e wo honom e ma ne tumi yi ano na so sansansam ne namo a wo manfo bi no mo ka se 55 Ghana cedis bi won mo a wo mama ne nkwanta ne ho abefare mu eno ne asam wo nam wo na so bra wo mo kye no kora ne wo ma amoso emisa no ama na anyi ano enti wo ka se bibia se ne won mo a etesa afa na nhwemu no ahya se no de wonim se wodo no kora ne bedadi ama Ghana fo ye nyina ye behunu bi na afei ade ba akonso ne se wose ahye ne den pa ama nanimu aye duye se obi ya wo ba bepre National Communications Director Ediama NPP woso no kokokra manyoko kase ete se ye na afei ye den tansenge sa ba ba mini ne komu no wose nya den kura nya betesa na so ahye ne den pa ama ohunu se bibia mu na de papa bia no aya na bonyono ta ho empo gold kura no sane ne mu duro sitie na ne fesitie no e fa de ya mu ansa na pia baba da ne sika ento hunu se dan kwa ma bia no wo betimi ababa ye Communications Director Ediama NPP amanyoko no ama na yeje enti wo kana che NPP amanyoko no nyina chitafo se ma wo bia mana ba mu na dasebo a emre pa beba amo no Dennis Miracles Abuaje eye nim gwase a wo mde guru nyina da eto betimi atwa
Wasugusu awutie from Chobekase ewa SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra Facebook near them live. Ubetumi adjoin ye wasansam na mu no endra ewa bram rahye no ekwa asetena no opani a wono woye dom kuma no ba no dani ayononyafo Alexander Kwame na fanyomaken woye sahene ewa afutu abato mpesoa so wasanso ene wo mrahye bedwani no ogina simpie ni apaso ene wode tu dwakire mu se Mr Speaker eho behia pa se omeya Attorney General Owura Godfred yebo adame ne mpanifo ye akrutinga anyi ni mom ene mpanifo eba be pie mu ewo efie hanom na omo be cheche die ntia wanom achi Owura Dennis Miracles Edward Abuaje na sede beye na achina bi tebu ni kwatani a obi so emefa saa yo ne so emeye se na no wo mote aban so wo mu yesei wo mu yesenti onenya for Alexander Kwame na fanyoma ke se hu behia esi eje ba be pie mu ofie no obekirechire mu die ntia wanom akire ne pote wobra wo kasa no ne ensem twani na opon chicheku ejina fa ho.
Mr. Speaker, finally, can the Minister of Justice and Attorney General, the program, Mr. Speaker, urgently come and brief this House on the activities of Iloko. Mr. Speaker, we are a House with oversight responsibility. Mr. Speaker, there are things that are happening. If we don't talk about it today, tomorrow, the other side may be wearing the shoe. Mr. Speaker, the Director of Communications of our party, Miracles Abuaje, was arrested and detained by Yoko at the airport. Mr. Speaker, he has been in custody for over 3 days. We are not against accountability. We are against the Rambo star. Mr. Speaker, our colleagues should not be up in arms. It can be them tomorrow. Mr. Speaker, what is happening to Miracle Abuaje is not good for our democracy. The Attorney General should come to this House and brief us of the situation there. Local will arrest people if the person was in the country, has traveled, he's coming. Then in a Rambo star, he's arrested. Mr. Speaker, at the airport, detained for over 3 days.
Openi okasa yeyi eyo nyanyamfo Alexander Kwame na fanyo makin wasahene no edom kuma no wamba no dani eno wakasa nti wanem ehia omeya Attorney General ewo mrahye bedwam onyanyamfo Dominic Akrutinga anyene se omechechem die nti a iyokofo ase wobi atu kwan no free arupremu si ya kire no no omde ne kwahye ho nso a wo mo ahyada ammoso sede owurade ni miracle abwaji Edward Eka no eno achi no onyanyamfo Alexander Kwame na fanyo makin se onu akasa Dennis Miracle Edward Abuajia wanu mkwachire no wanu no na anu su yiri na bi fa no walusi ne niama papa nti wanu I traumatized wanu kra na ne ho adwiri no bubobiribiri kra bone dada ye wo ho no mo a wo adwe ne ho ene si won ka bi nhemu a wotu kwa besi alupre wiem hyeji na bia hwa yes brei ya ba chiri wi enu sei enu chiri mu fai.
You are also in charge of the coffers. You are in charge of the press. Be careful. Don't ask somebody. He has a wife and children. Already the man was affected by the flood. He lost everything. He's already traumatized. Miracles Abwadi is already traumatized because of the flood. Then to worsen it, you detain him for 3 days. And you say if he wants his freedom, he should bring properties worth 50 million cedis. How do you do this? And this is not something that must attract a partisan reaction. It is a human right issue. The Attorney General must come to this house and brief us on what is happening. Mr. Speaker, it's not good for the politics of our country. Some of my colleagues here, Mr. Speaker, sometimes when they speak on critical issues, they get invitation to Yoko, to BNI, and all of that. We've kept quiet about it. Now it has gotten to our party executives. We shouldn't do this to ourselves. Mr. Speaker, we shouldn't do this to ourselves.
Onyanyofo Alexander Kwame na fanyo makin eye futu emrahye bedwani wasanso ye sahene ewo efutu abato empesia so dom kuma no womba no dani no nura wo mrahye bedwam no gina simpie ni apaso de sasem nyina egu emponten said ye beya eji Attorney General owura Dominic Akrutinga anyene eba be pie mu fe no be kirechirem yokofo okra wo sesei sasa release no omode baye ne ya kanya bi okra wo nhyada ntiasa wo de to wo momra ne ho e kamia se bi ebidani adia na wode atu dwen to mbehia no yensem training na opon chicheku ya woto nkra efrim rahye bedwam som yen no wono na kwitire bai
na yewura Alexander afanyo maken Kwame na wasahene wodaso agina paso kasa eno nti na awie mema no kasa natural mineral water eno no ya aboju nsuo ebeboa ma one no emu adeda ho kama mansam no betimi yiyi aba na ne ehunta nyina no apiepie esanse papa okute mu awie na nsam no ba ne wono a na da so gina paso na bre a wo kasa no ode ba beto se na no yerere kepoku so afo a wono ena omai yaroka chekua ye ho nsam wo hwe so a na no ya akura ngokon ketenkete na wo mo che no wono a ne pani ne wodi anim ekwawie ya se yemfra no kura se nko mebusa ngokon ketenkete no ho akonta na wakoyi abetum se ngokon no kura ebi no mawewe di bia sende no kura se wo mo wewe na ahunu ne mprenu die di kan na ye nkonfe na wo mutu ko bokena ena sesi a nkokɔ no wo mu de nyatu na wo matu na mu de ato se wo mowe ena eyokofo na wo mutumi efre miracle aboaje ede ne ba ya no wo hu ne bone a wayo no ye de nkokɔ nketenkete no wo maboso se ebi no mo we de a yokofo nwuram no wo mo hwehwem.
So you went to share beds to your party members to consume them. The broilers were never sold. Mr. Speaker, a friend from Choco told me that I made a warfare. Mr. Speaker, in other words, as the minister said, they've eaten it. But they were supposed to sell. They were supposed to raid the beds and sell. And the ones that will lay eggs to sell their egg and reinvest. Mr. Speaker, now let me ask. Now that they have consumed the beds, what will become of them? What is the accountability in it? You guys are talking about accountability. So your party members who got the beds that they say they've consumed and are giving evidence to the minister, are you going to send them to Yoko? Because it is state funds, it's also amount to looting. However, the amount.
Was there your money sika ena yede sankokɔ nketenkete naba enti se obi awe abra wanton ama o man anya ho hwe a ɛwɔ se yokofo wo muwuram yewura Alexander Kwame na afanya maken efutumra se badwani donkuma mu wono ene bano deni nene no
I was so your tour area from Tobacco Bono Surface SOMPA 106.5 Accra. Yankwabata would run in Adaka Bono and the moon. Ghana, Nam Senior was South Africa, mine muyon for Benjamin Kwashi. wapanyi party akwakoto dwa e South Africa ebra wona Ghana de hye binom ehia ye na won modwendwene kwan ya omanfo befa so na won masanso ba bepie o ma Ghana musanse baabi ya ne ha baabi ya ne won mo asabi o kwantwoma emre na eno no wapanyi party babato dwa atro se nyame ya dom won motumi enya names ahodo bi a ento akopem July bosom de to so aduonu enum na Ghana for be se ahankono 900 ye yetumi de won mo nyina aba bedru Ghana mamu amana yeje wo mo kire se din a won ma choro de ato hyi wo mo wiewie no mo de sa Ghana for ahankono no ba bedru a wo mo nkonkofa biem enti woni ase waka ho na wo se wo ntwere wodin a ene na wara kwaba no sa ne ye buru na ba so ba Ghana ensan so emfa plane ma mefa obiem ana wokọ Ghana ya nemsifo a wo mo South Africa man mu a enya de wo beje pani se wo mo makwa ma Ghana ban ba befa wa na betwa wo ticket na wo de aba bedru wo man mu enu nti na won ma kwan se wo bebia da wo pese wo free South Africa man mu na wo ye Ghana ni mapa no hwese wo betwere wo din na emra no so a won matumi ama wo so e de wo ba na sankita wo de sonko ni nyina no akwa gina na nsentema huru kasamu a ekoso e wo South Africa man mu manfo be ha ye Facebook wono ebi anahase ya etwago no eya wo mete sempa se Ghana fo akwa din senseme wo nkrofo maman so na wenya Ghana fo nkoampo wo manfo won motu kwan se wo mo kwakopɛ bra bia bɔ a South Africa man mu no safo no ana South Africa de hye e de ahurukasam wati se ye edi wo mo eno na ma Ghana fo ani abere ya ye pese ya de hye ye wo no ye fa wo mo de ba ne bra owura Benjamin Kwashi won nsɛmtwofo edi nkomo no na nsɛm a ɔkan ye bi ni.
The President and the Ministry of Foreign Affairs instituted us into having an evacuation for Ghanaians who voluntarily want to go home. We have almost 926 that have gone home. I'm here to announce that the ministry has provided, through the Office of the President, support for us to be able to also do another repatriation of close to 900 Ghanaians who are voluntarily giving their names here in South Africa that they want to go. This singular honor that has been done us by the President and the Minister of Foreign Affairs is something we should be very, very grateful about and something we should thank them so sincerely about. So I'm here to tell the Ghanaian community, those who are lodging in churches, those who have lodged in hotels, those who are lodging with friends and family, that finally we can break to note that we are going to do the final repatriation. The modalities will be the same as the modalities of the previous 3 repatriations that we've had. And so we'll be coming to the churches, we'll be speaking to you, we'll be going to the hotels, and we want us all to do this in a very coordinated way.
I was your way, I Ghana, Nam Sinia, our South Africa, Minimo, or Benjamin Kwashi, and what they semi atuja.
Adeshia one mo tu kwan efi o my Ghana mu ekwa amafa mama so ekwa one mo bra akwedi won juma enei upie mo ewo Accra International Airport wa ebi mo ani age pa na aye fe aye nika empanimfo aye amana aye ye dododo ni nyina ne se aban ni empanimfo eye se won pese wo mo tre wo mo hye mu kakra ewo Accra International Airport wo na ewemhye gina bia no etimi meet international standard no na bibia etumi akoso wanum ade enyema egu akwan mu ma sabram no kasai upie mu ewo terminal 2 and 3 hono mu a de ye fra no screening system no wo mo aye no abefo papa kwantempon so ema aye kama wudu hono mu ana enu ankasa screening na bibia aye kama adehia wo mo tu kwan ni age wanum bompanifo abase se said the aye de ebema bibia koso wa ewo empotam ho oswani a wono wohwe ahyen kobadie ehon sam so ewo mayem ayo no nyafo Joseph Bukari nipe wono ane koye okwa inspect djumadie yi esanse aye fe na wadum awienti wone nsam trefo ekasai.
From today onwards, you are going to travel with that dignity that your treasures will be intact on your body and you will go through the screening processes with ease. This is what the Ghana government is trying to do and make sure that we become the leader in aviation within West Africa sub-region. We will become the leader when it comes to security at our airports. You are aware, all the security agencies of the advanced passenger information and passenger name record systems, all to facilitate our security and profile whoever is traveling within our country and out of our country. And today we are adding to that dignity, installing this equipment to be able to process us and will travel in dignity. So on behalf of His Excellency President Mahama, we announced today that we are now using new scanning machines that will not require you to remove your laptops, that will not require you to remove your belt and shoes.
Osunia wano washe ashen kobedie ho samso o maimometre transport minister onyenyafo Joseph Bukari Nipe wano na kasa ye wabra wonom ekopiemo ewo Accra International Airport wiemhye gina bia de omaye na abefo ye no scan wo kan ne de oduwa ye de afidie na nipa gina ho no wo de afa ho nyina asi so that is a bibi beje kwekwen ana bibi ya alert na chese bibi wo ho apese udi free omayimu kwa ma afoforo so eti amra ne achewo we de uduwa ma mo Facebook no so no bra na behwa de afo enya asem kuma we mi amesha ho nkoma afie beba de na chese msu ko gina ho o man sa so say ya na scan wa from head to toe afi wo bag no so wudi siso a na scan bibia kama be for kwan so na adehye na chese wo mani age eye contemporary bibia ebe koso minister ene ensamtrofo ekasa wie yepe passing ba ko a wo no experience the first time our Accra International Airport one nani age no one ensamtrofo ekasai.
Very good, faster than the first. This time you don't have to remove your belts, your shoes or your laptops. The tray came, you put your packs inside and then you just go through the scanner. So faster than the first.
Thank you, Ghana Airport. I think it's making it even more smoother than it used to be before, and I think it was quite fast. I think compared to other countries, Ghana was already very smooth, and this is making it even smoother with no shoe removal. So you will have less footfall here. I think that's really helpful, especially for transit customers as well.
So initially I had to remove my shoes, remove my belt, all the things on me. With this new scanning process, it's faster. I don't have to remove all those things and try to dress again when I get out of the check line. So I think this is good, and I recommend the airport facilities for putting up something excellent like this.
We di anu ani se udru ha obe you bet say ade bia ye metal bia anu a eno no ebe kire se bibi wo ho no yini nyina do phone bibi agu nchan wo show coat board tie kama wo show bibia na wa mansa so we say asalanda na wagina mu na scan no kama eye fe pa ntino mu a mu betu kwan na say me de next year no mekọ na me so makogina mu na scan na me na empanifo ayama ye fe transport minister Ora Joseph Bukari Nipe na okasa ye ema adehye bia wo mutu kwan so wo mo so ache wo mani so ache empanifo yi
wono ma ye bibia kama na mom say ya kwanto na wutu na akoda kan ho a perfect baby diapers no fa bi mu no emfa ho ne awes dodo abedi ewo wienhye no mu no ebetimi akuta no wo se no ho kura wo be se wo inside empia bonten ya no wa hye no so sa we nso de Ghana ha ya papa wokuta emo awie na asem no wote na wote ne yi se kase abusuan ye transam no so na fe ye wura ya tenaye na no anso yiri eba ya efa ade hye wo Ghana ha na ewie ye nso border akese na epia ede kro ensam de ebia pie papa na mpenense saso no mienu nya ntokwa kwa ye mu a ya nhoma ne nsinsa ne nnu ewo ho no nemia saade ya ne ye ka ho asemi nyina no wo mo ehye wonsa ya na etwi wo mo kese pa ya atena ye hwe obo ade ebobra wo de adom ye ho nsam so ene ya tena ya yete me kire environmental ministry no ehwo so na yewura Emmanuel Amakofi boa wo no waka asem bi na so wo boa meboa wo se efiri na ekuri sade na no na efi pa egunso no mu a eninti ema nsuo ni yiri befa adehye no se yeyi sa afi na firi ho a ebe ma nsuo no to ebenya kwan na atere kwa ne ba bi one obi anya asem na no nso no enipa na eya sa ade no erinti kane de na nka efra wo musansamansamanfo enne yenhye dan hu ba bi a wo mo wo no ya sa te wo magum ama wo mo ba ba ye adwuma na woni a se wo ba fom no nya de ebetwa sika bi ama wo mom na wo be ma mra no edi wo ne nsema. And
they need to make sure that EP has presence in every district in Ghana, and that we can roll out environmental offices. When I was growing up, they called it town gases. And to make sure that they can be really, I won't say ruthless, but that they can make sure that people are complying with our environmental laws. The laws are there. It is basically getting everybody to comply. If we do so, we'll all be fine. And I think that we have to support the EPA to implement all of that.
Ene ya woti ene mfonia na etwago no yewura Emmanuel Amakofi boa elembelem hye badwani wono ane soafo a woman yatenaye de obo ade adom yen na emu agudie ni nyina wono na hwe so nsuansu aka ho na obi esa asemi so ni nyina ye mpepa ni nsiesie de nsu yire ne de baaye no eno ɛna akɔte saa asɛmi de abayɛ to akase no so
aban no mpara baako a wɔbɔ paa ayɛsɛ ensuo yi ahyɛseɛ yi a ɛtotɔ yi sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ na yɛnhunu ne nsasoɔ bi sɛ nsuo atɔ ɛyiri afa nipa mpempem ama Ghana de hyɛ no mu ehuna mane ɛno nti no wɔsoafoɔ yɛ wɔhwɛ nkronkron mɛmo ne mpuntuo ho nsɛmsoɔ yɛrɔ Ahmed Ibrahim wate asimu a wɔhwɛ sɛ anyambia clean up exercise na no wada yɛyɛ no ɛso abanfaso ana wɔmanfo gusu tunwura ɛde gu gatas mu ana asɛn akasa na ahondie ho nsɛm ɛkɔ ɛwɔ nkranha na ɔpɔn kyekyeku ne ama ne bɔni a odi atwe na na mahai
Medo so ba kucha.
Aprobo no he na mo sha ase free na akwa wie sei.
Meda sei. So afọ ono na wo hwe ye nkronkuma na no pay. Boni central for enam empotam a mampani edef ndo di si wo no mo hwe se ye hwe na ye pepra ye mpotemu na ye repan ye betima fa so a ahonidie betimi aba. Internet so afọ ne de bo no ho so se enya de obetima office. Esa se ne yakosu ye da so onto tobri mu a nti obebo no modern akomia na edi a nsuo ni toye ha adwene ni titinu ne esa amanfo ne ma no internet no pay woni central for ye central for hye mu tiawa ena wodi tuja eche mu me ena ye enya afi so ene dwumedie ni so no bia ye wo se wokọ no kokọhwe ne bote etechiri woni central for we enti omhugu montin so wonenene mu a obepie mu ewo eye achimota ofi won okokopie mu oteta no ni nyina no eya proboni bia ena waba bebe pie mu ewo eye dome market kesa say no ena wono ankasa bo anan ewura jadi bia mu ehwe se eye nokore ahonidie no ebitimi koso ewo ho ma na nokore ni nyame enum nie so afọ ni nam no na pension no abanka chiptani a wono ana won potem wan so wono so kan bie any municipal environmental director wo so mo kan bie na ebra oni dome market 14 komo wie ye ena ye bopini eye queen mother maami edni na bena ena maami de to the nokore ni nyame enum ni obo mampani abaso na mo mo sere mampani say enam ye nunu eya de a isa ebetimi anka brene dom bia yakọ ye ni mo afibiam no wo mo hwese wo betimi edisa honidie we ehye eka wo bi ebeba na emom kokobo ana wode bo ediama eye dwadini bia wodija ewo eye dome market chrom se wonim na obo husuo tie otakwa na onom na bia wetimi anom na wo hwiegu na wo ja roba ne to onom a obepam wo yo bi nso oba onom ba bedija obehye wanum nso oma wo nsi omu bo ma medija biu eno nso ye kokobo a mada wodomi odeto eye dwadifo ne central enyim ne kurakura mu no so wafo honorable Ahmed Ibrahim ene central kataye ede fa adwuma de chese enna mampani bi hye ne yade hya omo ko 1990 ka champion for so ni bia ya nso to ye yi fa amanfo na ko amakwa kodi mame obeje de se nso ye to ye yi enam so ewo ga isia no se no nipa makomako beye edonum ene eduosia ena o mato na nan monse do e wa no sei ni nyina no eye o mo eto na nan monse do ensie bi echem no ena afensu na afie mu de ensu ni padu baako aba be kan obi enam so e ma so akọ no ahye wo mse sei dia ye o ma si 60 dan e wo dome ne ne mpotem wa sei a enso to a enya ne ba bi mfa no ene ye de eye o shaka se de to mo so mo hwe no mu bu o ma dan nyina achesa anka tipani ni so aje to ode ato de chem se ento ankwapo mi se o china chini fia da we ye ni on be hwe na former ye side demolition exercise no mama ne bo eti
Paula sana obekokra no se ko ba no se akonya bem na woni minister edi nkomo a na wobisa no se anyambia no akonya bi beba se won mo kas na bra bia no e be clean up exercise no wo mo de be na mu aso se nwura no a ye be pale agugu nkwanchan no ana why medasi arusiama ne boni na opon checheku ane yete ne nkan na sa clean up exercise ya ho no ana hafo no north kopon no eno ewa santemantemu MC ya ho no mo nyamfo kwasi adusai ade de sode ato Ghana fo anim so wobesere pa ene yetu nwura gugatam videos ahodo bia na sentem kura ne na manu akura SOMPA posti bie ahomete pa kwa brania ye ni nwura awie no gatamu na tese nwura ne sefata ya wokwa kwhwe agu mini wura firi wo se nsuo beto na sa ba be yiri dia fa no Sanu mani nyina no ya de so a ababatu yen so ye wo se ne ne kina ya de ye hwe na ya de ye etu ye nam so ma MC tro se ene ye kwa so dem ane ye bompa ye so afre nyankopon so o mai baabi pa na so ye yire afisi ye nya baabi pa ne da wi a de akwa nya pa ne se baabi ye da ne ye besiesie ho ama hunidie ye adwuma nam so nti obesere se Ghana fo wo nyam so mpa firi wo hunidie no ho sa ne ye som twedi ampon no sa ne ye ma hunidie enso ho hia ye
Mama yina ye mo ehumode na ye mo awo sa kwa nwisi so ye sa kakra na ba nso ahode kakra ye won ye di baba be support ye ho a ye betumi aye hu obi se obi timi no nso ahonte no watwa tu o ka se wo mfantu a wo se July on mo so mo so wo timi be fa na nso fa we go sigota bota no si nso enya kwan a ono so ba ye fi wa timi amfa wo kra wo be se wo niema na ye ni ma prevention ma atu o men na yebu nkonta asemtiti ba de ba kese say e kwan e paswa the managing ye potamo enyen assembly ahu na ye amanfo so yesu ohu bi assembly hu ene na nanu ne nsa se wura fo hu ni say ba bi nsuo fa ma no kwa ma na amfa ho a obepe no kwa sa abre no so wuni hu tumi bi a say wo kire me bi ho fa ti say ye wo da mo obi wura ho e wadum mu a obeba enunti fakwaye nsupan kana na no anto ama obi e no moto na me no nso ankwa nkoto ensi da yam fancy wa kensupa ka ba bia ne kwada
awusiawai ayabai kwashe panyina wo hafo no North Koponi mu Asante Mantemu oro kwasi edusai na amane boyi Ebeneza owusu ansa ene de beson ye
wo ensam foforo mu no ni yakwaso akai ho se yedamu live e Facebook no so SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra na wa joining yen wa dwenkyere bi no na de ato honom ne yabo akire de ama yesere no ama na fakase ne ho e de ama yen onenyanfo kwadwo opon enkroma Vincent eyofo se ayire bi emra hyebedwani opani wa yeswani a wono wa hwe communication so epen e wo man information minister kane no na ensemu anura emra hyebedwam wanu bobo hu bi na efa report wa wamo eti committee no economic and development committee no wanu de ba ya na efa 24-hour economy na enumu eno nyanyafo kwadwo ponkroma Vincent eso de gina ase na ja wono so de ne dia to subie no se 24-hour economy no empanifo de ye campaign no Ghana fo yeso mu se twetwe ubekom kra na no bi ka ho kra na ja wo mu winyi yi na kamia ye se mfinhia bese mienu ne ekoyi 24-hour economy no ye betimi enya ade we akire ne pote sempanifo ehya se we nie ene ye betimi di akire se oh we wa benefit from 24-hour economy we say e bia wa ye say adwuma we wa mu run shift 3 anopa wi anwumira homache e kamia ye se sikabotene a wanam etwa ya wa mu de shebu no 650 billion Ghana cedis no eno ayehu adwuma no so ayehu se ekọ seba so ebuada.
Mr. Speaker, the promise of the 24-hour economy was clear. 1-3-3. One job, 3 people, 3 shifts. Mr. Speaker, this government is almost 2 years in office. And in these 2 years, they have appropriated about 650 billion Ghana cedis. That's what this House has appropriated for government to work with. Almost 2 years on, you cannot find one government agency that is applying 1-3-3. For all the stories that we were told, for all the analogies that were given, 2 years on, after appropriating about 650 billion Ghana cedis, you cannot find one agency that is operating 1-3-3. Mr. Speaker, that is the biggest testimony of the fact that this entire 24-hour economy program that was so well marketed and all the issues that were raised about it, at the end of the day, it is not delivering on what it was promised.
And what she know on your folk job, Ponkroma Vincent, Kosu training someone Rashabedram Wabram, Wakato so 24-hour market here, and penny 4 years, one more Abeyano, a Kamia, yes, sir, Abeyi, Wamakasano, Ayane Dadodo, a chain, a Juma was one with you good form, said you back and a granite formal, Yashada, a Hunisa, and also, Wabetchemu, sir, a was a woman and woman who come ye pa, not to me, Abua, said your training some more, I want Rashabedram say, and a coy.
Mr. Speaker, as we went through the policy document and looked out for what the next steps were, we were told told to look out for two specific things. One is a 24-hour economy market. 24-hour economy market. That's what we are now being told to look out for. And two is a list of incentives which will incentivize the private sector to start operating the 133 shift. I want to speak quickly to these two things that at the end of the day we are now being asked to look forward to. Because, Mr. Speaker, you will recall that the bill that was passed did not provide for all of the items in the shift that were spoken about. So now we are told to look out for these two things. Mr. Speaker, there are markets in this country, in many of these districts, that do not operate 24 hours. In fact, even for those traditional markets, they have to wait for what you often call a market day. Now, the government is going to spend tens of millions of Ghana cedis on building new 24-hour markets with the expectation that nothing new having been done in the economy, just the mere creation of these markets will now cause people to buy and sell in them for 24 hours. Mr. Speaker, we are of the view that it is not a prudent policy measure. That if you want to achieve 133, building 24-hour markets is what will deliver 133. In many of these places, in my district, in Eyirebi, where this market is being built, there's already a market that has been constructed which doesn't work for 24 hours. There's a market that has been constructed, like in many of our villages, which has to wait for 1 week, 1 day in the week to function.
Onyanyafo kwadro opon kroma Vincent ofasi ayire bi mra shebedwani na ne nsem o kire mu no oka 133 no eye adwuma ba ko ayera ne tre shift bi be kwa nopa awia anwumre ne nyina ehye 24-hour economy no a empanifo eye se wan mo be yenim no ewo emra shebedwam enroda enwode sansemi etuja
na wo sankomo yi ho no se 24-hour economy market no edwadie neno na penia eba wo man Ghana Trade Fair Company Limited a otua wo ma no na amale bamba no wo se de wo mo kan nyina ne 24-hour economy market no ebetimi agina na nnwuma ahodo nso apese wo de wo ho bata no ebe yi a ene enwuma nkumankuma afi na ehya ase no de ya dentamu wo mo a enhya dan ne nan a wo mbegina so no ana adwumako ya krado so wo bo wo maboso ama wanya nan agina so se de be na wo mbekime ne wo mo a edikan no akasefo no nyina atimi akosa 133 shift no na bra wo de sansemi yi to so no enam se ya ma ne bofo na asemframa ba bia wo mo bo honti no wo mo wo hobi wo mo fa bi mai.
SME Connect is a capacity building program for SME and aspiring entrepreneurs. The essence is to equip them with business knowledge so that they'll be able to grow and enter new markets. The support we can give them is to bring all of them together and bring our partners also together so that they capitalize on it. Like Republic Bank, we also had GEPA, and then we had GA. So it's a form of partnership for them and also to educate them, give them business ideas so that they'll be able to expand their businesses. Yeah, that's why forums like this are being organized for them to know how to network, how to pay their taxes, how to grow their businesses. So that's why we organize these. This is the best way we can support them. Aside that, too, we organize fairs for them to promote their goods and services. So these are the services we provide.
Chief Executive Officer Edema Ghana Trade Fair Company Limited na amale bamba ena wode sankomoi ema ese enwuma nketwa ene adentemu no wo mo ba be hye wo mu kena na fe waso wasene se de be na wo mbetumi ahohoro won saye ene akasefo no nyina bom na wo mo adidie ye to akase no so.
I was sorry to us on a Chamber of Petroleum Consumers, ye 20 akana se kopek at yabasa. Ashanka for my Ghana Munsha Siansha one was upon office, free yami yatomua. July bosun that also doing Sianas, watching de Cronwano, Fango Bono, a Sanso Baby Pija. Ninana Quakojina Sawakwa, Amansa Joshua and Bono, a Quasoroka cra, and no Anaka will be Amana Quacoban Sanam Swintino, and they say, Woko, Miao Droya Yabu, Fangonua. Yahuno sa ene no ne boa no apeja akwakogina soro na womafo no kiremu a na kyese ebikura akwakogina 13 cedis 28 pesos per liter bia eno ye petrol de no enkane na won moto no 12 cedis 79 pesos per liter ene ne ya apeja akwakogina 13 cedis na wo hwe diesel de no so a eno so emu apeja akwakogina soro ankane na ye 13 cedis 54 pesos per liter bia now so ene no Wama fon mo ton 14 cedis 35 Ghana pesos per liter. Ena wohwe mo pa na se ohamu nchemu no be se de woche 0.81 ena ababeka ho a ne nyina no akwakoye agina mo abo ya emwo kora ama shanka dwumadie no enuoma entumi enkoso na akopɛ kyerɛ se ensasa ne enei amansa dwaso aso tia Ghana de no so tie no saa na se kosoro a ɛwo so man no de no enso tumi kosoro na afei na shankafo ba begina na won matena se gina ye na won mahwa se anyambia we no aba no ebeha won mu dwumadie ya enu nti no wose to omai no asentuade mu ana anasa wose gina de gina nam so nti no yenya ensi poidie ana Ghana fo yenmu nsuo entwen wo pay
Say Damanimi Free Technical University Senior Administrators Association of Ghana TUSAG Wamo at the Krataba now more catch champagne for Senano Comanoa woman no mubedi ye ne sabi e kamia ye se ebiwa bubu nua mahogany wa sapele wodum ahyehyɛ wan wasum de entoma be 5 years abomi fita duku di apeso na e kamia ye se wo mubedi ye no sabi wo mo antehwe agro na wo mo no wo di no e kotoma me sabi me fa ba enwo ba bi eno so de ya agobone one must see woman penifo eka one-time research allowance eho asem afei de omokwatena se omogi tumu eno no fa ne interim allowance no so ni mienu nyina wo mo hohwe empenifo epese wonom eye wo mo logolege eno so de yesa ombesu wo mo yam President Adema Ekweyi eye Owura Stanley Akamiri Abopam wono ena gina ne mpanimfo nyina nemu ena wakasa kire mu se animu ya wo manti bibia mfiri mpanimfo ho a wanya sa ye pini ya chia kwa babiem no da bi wo mo pani immediately anya sa de July busumi aye wo mu ya ne da toso aduonu eye dwa da di animu yi wo mbeti atwea e de a kire mpanimfo.
Embarking on the strike action on 2 issues. One is the delayed payment of our one-time research allowance, and the other is the decision of the Ministry of Finance to vary an agreement we reached with the Fair Wages and Salaries Commission for an effective implementation from April, and they choose to vary same to July without notifying us or informing us on anything. We even wrote a reminder. That reminder went unacknowledged. I have personally tried to engage them. There is absolute uncertainty. We really don't know when they intend to pay this money, and that is unacceptable. We have bore the heat since 2014 for one time. It is only proper that the system acknowledges the pain we also suffer so that we get to a middle ground.
Openi okasa ye aya President Adema TUSAG Mecha Technical University Senior Administrators Association of Ghana TUSAG for no Owura Stanley Akamiri Abopam en wakasa kire mti nyankopɔ ya adom eda dwada allowance nkakra eno no yade ma womo ansa na womo akatua na ba na woma eba no we no enye mandatory esa bosumi bia wo seba sa interim allowance no na meka no eno no womo kire mu se acha dodo womunya bia che womaka ho nsam aka febuada afei dia yade ma womo de support research nkakra e wo suapon ni mu no so eno so e makora bio ye omaka aka nyankopɔ ya adom eda twada womo atehwedi a womo de womo kuku no womo kaka nyina ebegu fom
abusua ye kwaso an yasew se kasa natural mineral water ensu papa ya danda so abefo na ye wo de wo sachetim ye won twanketwa adantamo ne akase ena afi wo mo dispenser de ubu nsu onyunu ni nsu ohie nyina utimibu ema eyeye concurrently no wokutaye mu awiei ena nsempa no eba wa akwamu nemum enkoda no wo moto no da achenti ena ohia perfect baby diapers no papa na wo ba bia ye ton ade enso ya pebi ne boefo na ensiesie wo ba ne ye ye ba be wie nsam no kura ansa na yakwa akwaje aboafo nkrato a ye wra Paul Afoko waka wo mu atwe wonti se wo so na manyoku no titina konwa no wo mbepere no nene no wo se wonam ye campaign nyina manfo bi nso keka onimu ne yakoka asasa na to wo mu asom se ye yi akandifo no wo mu nyina afiri sire manti fedo a tituru wo so no mu no emwa ma wo mu nema wo mu ntimi nhyehyɛ ne ye wo mu nema nyina ahwiegu ama ebi kura de akwa bobo a kyerɛ se wo mu pa de wo mu mfa nko wo machi wo enhwe history na fe wo mu mra eka ho bi na adaji ba omia lusu ye no na wo mu di agro san akoye bi wo mbesa lusu na wo se no kura bi anim na de wo mu no wo kyerɛ mu sei
Something that I picked up in my rounds. As I said, I've gone around the 16 regions of Ghana, and I want to address what some call the northern factor. I'm a proud son of the Upper East region, and I'm also a proud Ghanaian and a proud member of the MPP. I belong to this tradition, the MPP tradition, whose roots run through every part of this country. Our tradition is national. It has always drawn strength from the different parts of Ghana. We must never allow anyone to reduce the MPP to a narrow identity. Our strength is national. Our future must and will remain national. I'm aware that some may ask whether the MPP can have both its presidential candidate and national chairman coming from the north of the country. Let me address that matter directly. The MPP is a national party. It is not a party built on narrow geography.
I don't know what can. NPP no. National party sabio enye we free ha party na hwedua ye NPP no ani hini ekọ Ghana ha ba bia ne se wonti wo ma deda de wo ma no sa no wo munya aka na wo mu eti nso nya eti
na union mo sabin producer won mo de dem e wo hunam dua no kwa na baabi no wokọ atwema ponua mansini mu wa eyade se ebi e wo hono aka ho bi ama assembly no akeka wo ho ade nneoma hodo a enia no akwa akwache wo mo akyese na ani so na adahye a wo hunam dua no kwa na baabi de dem wo no na wo yema akoma akọ aduanan enso emema dunkono na ma so aduonu enso na akyese na akwakoso ani adesuafo so eka ho anam so amon munyafo Ibrahim Isahak wono ena ya ban krache panyina wo hono ebro mo de nneoma no chewiye no opanyipan yi kasae na sei ena ba wo bedu atwebreye
Yabanshim Ghana for Sabi Omodi Demono, Abai Somosini, na economically empowered, na Quaise, the Biomus Radio or Kwana with film. The Santi, Aman, I understand, Assembly Biobena Common Fabia, a 3% ASR in your more Omodi Demudia. The Sa Jumadiska, and they say, Esia de Bomuna, Mohucho, Mumu, Yomono, Omutimi free, Assembly Nepodauru, or Monteneso, sorry, Demon Cramo, Demos, Obibia, Sabi. Oye disabled no obeba assembly ho be meeting social welfare for no access no so access no say o qualifier na assembly na ho de mu no the officer mo ye bo na be bo na ma na fira mo kire mu no mo ya ma ana ne no a atwon po no de mo de hye so a enipa mo di o ye dem for be 47 assembly no mo no mo be no mo pi bit say free be share de ofufu be share de spray cocoa so be share de coupon wheel and no mo keka na assembly GDA say no mo mayama omo ne sane pa kwewi no bebo ama economically my empowered na de friend of yabubro no kuma free
ono monyan for Ibrahim Isaac no no wono ayaban krache panyini wa atwema ponua mansini mo ba wo bedu ena dia man boyi ebesumye
wo enwomasia ensemu no acheme upiemu ewo bono emantamu a wosoani a wono obutu mantam na no ayononyan for Joseph Ade Akwabo a wonwomasua sede odo etrechemu ewo afa ho no upiemu wa time cross ni ebedwa ni mu a adesua adan bi a empanimfo chemu se na enya bi so no mu a na biaye bi ho no mu hia adesua adan ni nyina no empanimfo aboa akwakoye bi dia ma wonom 3 units SHS classroom block ewo drobo bepo ayase eno no wonom akwa aye bibia kama afei 6 units primary school classroom block eno no ewo ejewiem ni nyina no panifo kwakoye ene de keka ho ebi na ewa bra wono pa bi huntema ewa bra yesiesie bie eye bibia ekama wone semtrafo ekasa yo pambo etu bi esemiye
na nana me say district way and a tosonson adwuma within 1.5 years ya ye no na ebi na esimu achiwe ye ntena fie enka se DC enye adwuma na adwuma a onye ye no wabeka kire se waye adwuma sika de ma no adwuma ode aye nyina ya de ye ni kropi amansa ebe kwa akohwe te ye no kore anase enye no kora nti muhu ye wo ha nyuma 1.5 years ya ye wo time district hano ene ye fa so a ye hwe ni nyina se ye no krese niema na DC atwra bra se omo aye no e no krese omo aya mpese ye sika ba kokora be fa nkwanchen nti nana ye ba ya enante sie nyina no ye ba ye di school no abehye monsa na ye nuamo wahu ye nuamo omo gina hoyi china na obi ye DC obi ye minister obi ye president nkrai nana china na nkura we be a doctor, be a lawyer, be an engineer.
Oswania wanu washa bunu mantam no ano onenyanfo Joseph ade akwaboa wono na kasa yeyi ne kasa no achi no mrashe bedwani ono over time abato empesra no so onenyanfo Sulemana Adama wanu so kiremu drobo bepo ayase na afei ekro ba kwa no no wonpotem mo sede wanu musuku no wamode ma contractor e ma wodi hodwuma sei no no so kiremu 5
entimi ndewi efise we mienu esi ha nyina action ne besi mai na me kan se emfio mo twini school akwa atwe ewo tan ha pa tensi school dan yensi clinic yeni akwan yenyen kanea enuti monto aba na ma brother mama na monso ma me Ramsey na me kokan ho won kan na yekwa yedi school dan ne bebre mu nyame ya adom sanya afibia adofo mo ye no afi de mo ye manoboro so afi kura na ntro na doso so afi kura na mo kire mo bobere enuti emra ebi abato a president mama say afi bia constituency bia yebesi KG block baako eye adankura mienu yebesi JHS Damiensa adankura miensa BSc primary school adankura nsia afi bia no afi edi nkan 2025 no ene ese drofo o manso mendi si ache eti JHS miensa na yekosi no Director Amaya to say, Professor TGHS wo enti yebekwa kusi dan no miensa no ewo drobo yamara ho kra eni bi frase nyame ya adom contractor ya de man no so boso ne miensa na wate de safri ho yemu na ya che
Sadia Mesni Abakrachi eni penifo wonu mo potem ho ayama yefe Emma Bruno Regional Minister NFA ne mrashe bedwani onyanfo Suleiman Adama wonu makasa onache se enwumesua ne de wonu mo ekoso aye ho adwuma yie ewo mpotem ho no mo naja bibia akoso sanse yetete mofra no nwumesua eye fa pempa nana ajuman opambo eye nsemtwani ya wono obutubu no ene ne potem ona tu nsemi ebesumyen ebusua yenyina wesu tew ye je abo afronkrato ene titani mienu ye basisia
First clinic yes sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem uje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ya adwuma pa wo mu yenti abaso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketua wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
Kwa Jesu. Why no Miss Bremwa? I am yo. Na dana kodani susa. Yam sa kwamna dinu. Ani se wesu. Miss Fane mame. Hey, akwadana dadu so musano. She, ni kwati ni mukrafo. Ude mami nyini diaper no.
Diaper no kradi. Masisa. Me uni aminyempo.
Aya diaper na. She, diaper fufura abedwa so eye perfect baby diaper. Perfect baby diaper make na asemi. Chinsu ankasa. Emu ya moton na ade bo akwada na. Ensanse bia enwu no. Perfect baby diaper make ye ne Ghana ha ye na ebua Ghana nkwada nso ankasa. Onokwa na wokwa me ko perfect baby diaper si bia to sisia na akwada na
Fre 0531 099 889 and 0303 957 965 FDA agi adwade nkratoi atum.
TV Emma Aketiapa.
True, Emma Aketiapa pampa na ye kwa manone. Sesi ye nua Fred Kumi, abutire kan na mra ne ye de frɛ no. Sade wo mo ye extradition no enya ye adwuma wakwa koduru America na wokokoduru ho no. Sade enkra ne kire no Northern District of Ohio ɛhɔ na assembly nyina wɔ mu di no enti Attorney General Office a ɛwɔ hɔ na ɛkyɛ so extradition or more extraditive free Ghana ɛde no bibia kama na wɔn mo keka nsɛm na wɔn mo kyɛ sɛ ne co-defendant baako bia no wɔka no ho Daniel Yusuf wɔn mo no so bo a yɛde bɔ wɔn mo nyinaa yɛ sɛ wɔn mo hyɛ da yɛ wɔn ho sɛ wɔn mo yɛ mmabaawa na wɔn mo pɛ ekunu na sɛbio wɔn mo ahyɛ da target wɔn mo ɛwɔ aburokyire no a ebinom agyaagya awadeɛ wɔn abɔ wɔn brɛ awie anaa ne yere wuo ɛde agya no na wɔdwendwen ne ho no saa na wɔn mo yɛ na wei penny bia wadi mfinhyia do wɔtwe wɔ America ni ɔno ɛna $8 million romance scam no wɔn mo ɛseka me no na ɛno na wɔn mo kyɛ sɛ saa asɛm yi a wɔn mo bɔ ɔbɔso yi nyinaa no sɛ agya ɛne sɛ wafa mmerɛnim ni yɛ wɔ nim de paa wɔ mmerɛm ɛwɔ America hɔ yɛ wɔ no nso asɛm bia wɔkɔ a wɔdi bem so wotimi twitwagye no na ne ho so nsa abrɔbɛde a ɛne wɔ ba fie na agya waba bɛdi ne yere ne maame mo nuane na wo mo ye no ha ya na sa ankoba ne sa de a anhwe ye mfinhya be sa duo no sa ntansa ye de tu no komu obetumi atwa amana ye yie na so mpaka se enso ye ni di ni nyina echi de ebefiri mo ababia no ye na ye boso ama wo de ebi kan so ne mfe no ye betumi abiem ama waso ate no so ne ye gina na nsama efa ye nkorabata ne nyina fa Facebook YouTube ya babia decoder no wo uhu ye wo ho no yɛde wusie awie wakenkamfo ne yɛyɛ baasa triple way man agya pia pam dada awie abre mene Ghana ma no
akosua ejewa kodie boaten ena
ABENA bedu ADEPA KOFIE
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Albesati Kwambo.
Oyunyankupon di fa wastrano eweye brim. And I'm Nensaso ama Onyankupon reyawon wadepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach you SOMPA First Service. Our home enye TV program keke. Eye bra osro ni asasi hia. Eye bro Nyankopon kasa kire ne mba.
Set your alarm, tell a friend,